In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo in Canva. Whether you're working on a creative project or just enhancing personal photos, Canva makes it simple and efficient to use your own images. First, head over to Canva. Open your web browser and type www.canva.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new, follow the prompts to create your free account. Once logged in, you'll land on the homepage, your gateway to a world of design possibilities. Open an existing project or start a new design to begin uploading your photo. Now, locate the image you want to upload on your computer. Open your File Explorer and select the photo. Then simply drag and drop it into Canva's upload section in your browser. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview in Canva's Uploads panel. Larger files might take a few moments, so make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid delays. With your image uploaded, drag it onto your design canvas. You can resize, rotate, or apply filters to fit your project's aesthetic perfectly. And that's it. A quick and easy way to upload photos into Canva. With your own images, you can now unleash your creativity and personalize your designs. Remember to always ensure you have the right to use and edit any images you upload. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm excited to see what you'll create with your uploaded photos in Canva.